Hi, beloveds. Now, all of us, we have those spaces in our homes or in our offices that are disorganized and cluttered. And I know because that's me. I have more clutter, more disorganization in my home office than I want. And I think to myself, like, how good would it feel to clear out all of those sore spots, right? And so decluttering is generally good for you, and it's positive. It has a really positive impact on you physically and mentally. And decluttering can also reduce stress. It can reduce anxiety. It improves your sleep. It can boost your mood. It can enhance productivity. Decluttering does all these wonderful, wonderful things. And as I said, I struggle with this, but I'm getting better. I'm really working on it. And so think about, where do you spend the most time, right? And start in those places. Decluttering can also boost your self-esteem. It can help you with your allergies because you get rid of those papers and the whatever clutter that has all that dust, and it can be really positive. So I can go on and on about all the benefits. But think about this. At the very least, decluttering can improve your living space, and also it increases the flow of energy because there's less stuff to block it. And so think about, if you've done the internal work, you've done a lot of self-reflection, self-care, and you're reflecting and you're really finding deep down who you are, what you want to do, your passion, your purpose, and you're really coming into your full self. If you've done all of that, and yet things still aren't clicking, things aren't moving, there's been like a stop, and you're like, how can I move forward? Like, why am I stuck? Don't forget the outer work after you've done the inner work. Now, the other thing is the inner work, it never ends. It never ends, and that's okay. We are human beings. We change constantly. We are always in motion, always changing and improving. So the inner work never ends. But once you've reached a certain point on your... My cat Xena wants to help me out. Hey, Xena. Hey, sweetie. Hey, you helping me make my video? So think about, like, once you've done that inner work, then begin the outer work. Don't forget about it. So just like the inner work never really ends, the outer work doesn't either. I know for me in my decluttering journey, like, I still need to declutter regularly because stuff piles up again, and that's okay. If you make it a system, if you make it just a part of your habit to declutter as you go, and do that external work just as you do the internal work. You're always reflecting, you're always growing, and when something doesn't go right, think about, well, maybe this didn't happen before a reason. Maybe what the universe has for me is better than I can plan for myself. And so lean into that and just continue to grow and have optimism that things will work out, but you still take action to put things in that direction that you want it to go. So in short, I would start with those sacred spaces in your home or other areas where you spend a lot of your time, like your home office or your desk at work. Or for some of you, you're working from your car, or you're in your car a lot. Look at your car. Is it cluttered? Is it messy? And then declutter your car, okay? And I'm not, judging anyone, because I'm telling you, I have some decluttering to do myself in all those places, my desk, my home, my car, and I'm working on it. And I encourage you to as well. All right, beloveds, take care, self-care. Bye-bye.